This is a review of a Craftsman socket wrench set I got the other day. It's a 42-piece set. It has 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch drive tools in inch and metric sizes. It has 11 1/4 inch drive tools and 31 3/8 inch drive tools. It contains a ratchet, an extension bar, 17 hex bits, 9 Torx bits, 7 Torx sockets, 6 screwdriver bits, and an adapter. And the case is clearly marked with all the sizes, which is helpful. This is the socket wrench. Looks like it's a 6-inch adapter. I'm sorry, it's a 6-inch extension bar. This is the 3/8 to 1/4 inch adapter. These are the bits. These are the external Torx bits that goes from an E6 to an E7 to an E8, then E10, E12, E14, and E16. The first three are 1/4 inch drive. So these three are 1/4 inch drive. Then these are 3/8 inch drive. Next are the inch hex bits in 5/32, 3/16, 7/32, 1/4, 5/16, and 3/8. And these are all 3/8 drives. Then there are Phillips head bits, a P3, a P2, and a P1. They also are 3/8 inch drive, and it's a nice length for a screwdriver bit, I think. Flat screwdrivers are in 3/8, 9/32, and 7/32. Those also are 3/8 inch drive. Metric hex bits 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. And those are 3/8 drive. The Torx bits are a T50, T47, T45, T40, T30, T27. Those are all 3/8 drive. Then there is a T27, a T20, and a T15. Those are 1/4 inch drive. Then there are some more hex bits that are in 1/4 inch drive. 3/16, 7/32, 1/4, 5/16, and 3/8. One thing I noticed about this set, I had a couple of older Craftsman bits, like this one. This one, the bit you could remove. So I guess the idea was if the bit was broken or damaged, you could take it back to Sears and have it replaced. But these, the new ones, are all one piece. They're swaged, I think that's the word, together. So this set was made in China. It looks like a good assortment of bits. If anybody's used these, I'd appreciate a comment on how you've found them, because I just got them. I haven't used them yet. I may do a follow-up when I've got some experience using this stuff. One other thing I thought was interesting. A friend of mine recently gave me a couple of sort of old wrenches that I'm really happy to have. First one is they're both deep offset box wrenches. First one, I think they're pretty old. The first one just says, I can't see, you probably can't see this, but it says chromium vanadium. It's a 9/16 and a half. And on the other side it says Chrome X quality. Chromium vanadium and Chrome X quality. The other one is it's 3/8 inch this end, and it's 7/16 at this end. And this one says Westline H2240. I've not heard of that brand. Whether you can see that or not. And on the other side it says forged in USA, and then the sizes. But those four, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2 inch, and 9/16, fit almost all the inch fasteners on the small engine equipment that I work on. So these are going to be two very, very handy wrenches. I'm really happy that I have them. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.